On this episode of Inspiration Nation, it's time to introduce another project. Now you guys are familiar with our budget-friendly race car. What's up guys on this episode of Inspiration Nation? What's up guys on this episode of Inspiration Nation? What's up guys on this episode of Inspiration Nation? What's up guys on this episode of Inspiration Nation? This episode of Inspiration Nation. Now it's time to meet the not so budget friendly race car. This is our 1988 Chrysler Conquest that we are going to be doing an LS swap and turning it into a full-fledged race car. Roll cage, fire suppression, the whole 9 yards. First step, let's get it stripped down and see what we're working with. You know, you never really realize how intricately installed interior is until you have to pull it all out. And despite the interior being physically clean, it is definitely physically dirty as well. So it's looking like we're down to the carpet, the dash, one door panel, and the rear quarter panel pieces. Apparently, somebody has broken into the car before, whether they locked their keys or whatever, but there's glass shards all in it. So we pretty much got all the panels out of the trunk area. The only thing remaining is the wiring harness, which is going to be a little bit hard to film because I'm going to try to be meticulous in pulling it out because there is a lot of the tail light harness that I will be using over with our new universal wiring harness. So that's pretty much done for right now. Now, time for the dash. The kicker with the dash is I'm not really sure. I'm thinking about actually using it because the dash is in like pristine condition, and if you're going to be building a SEMA car, only the best parts will do. So I'm really thinking I'm going to reuse the dash and just add some carbon fiber plating and everything to get rid of the old air conditioned buttons and stuff. But that being said, now I have to take this thing apart and out without damaging anything because it's not broken now. I don't want to break it pulling it out. You really don't understand how many bolts is in the dash of a car until you're trying to find them without breaking stuff. And Mitsubishi was pretty slick at hiding some of these bolts. Check this out. Nice little innocent panel. 10 millimeters. pretty anticlimactic. I was expecting it to come out like a ball of fury. That was pretty freaking simple. I'm actually a little let down. I was expecting something dramatic. It's always one sneaky little bolt somewhere that's hiding that wants to make your life live in hell. I'm pretty sure there's a lot simpler, easy way to get it out, but I was wanting to make sure I didn't break anything, so I just took apart everything. That was a pain in the... No, that was a pain in the ass right there. I tried to church it, but it didn't happen. It even drew blood. Look at that crap. Race cars, man. It feels like a lot of wiring because it is a lot of wiring. You know, I thought this one was going to go a little bit smoother than the old 300ZX did, but I believe they're about tit for tat. But I definitely feel like I'm gonna smoke Senor Wes in our dry sound deadening removal contest that we're probably gonna have. Yeah, we're gonna have it. It's gonna be fun. You should catch that episode. The crazy part is we cut all of the wiring on the outside of the car. It should just be coming out. But I'm probably gonna have to pull the fender or something crazy like that. I got it! Here it is. Everything that makes a Chrysler Conquest run. Well, there's part of it at least. And there's the rest of it. Oh, spaghetti. And there you have it. The interior is pretty much stripped out. And it was only just a little bit of accumulation. You know, that stuff. And all of that stuff. Yeah. It's hard to believe that that's everything we took out of this car. That's crazy. And there you have it, guys. Our Conquest is stripped completely down to just a rolling shell. Make sure you join us on the next episode where we show you how to remove the sound deadening using dry ice. Now, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends, and join us on the next one.